Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be looking at the booking policies that you're able to put into your profile. This is going to be something that's very simple, so it should be a pretty short one today. I'm just going to pull open my test account profile here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So what we're talking about is this one over here. You see how the booking policies, it says listed as booking policies, has some script that I put in, example, blah, blah, blah. And then it says, no walk-ins, no waiting area, cash not accepted. So that's what I'm talking about when I say booking policies. And I'm just going to show you where you can go to find that. It's very easy. All you're going to have to do is go into the profile settings, and then you're going to go down to where it says business details. And then once you're there, all you have to do is go down to the last one here inside of business details that says policies and safety. And then once you're there, you're going to see this top section here is where you can write in anything that you want. As I did, example policy, you can really write in any information that you would want, explaining kind of your situation, whatever it may be. And then there are these check boxes down here below, which are going to be pretty typical that you might want to check: walk-ins, waiting area, consultation, no guests, anything like that. There is another section down here that talks about health and safety rules. I don't see that very commonly used. I would say maybe like massage parlor or something like that, where there is kind of, maybe a big salon. I don't know. Like I said, I don't see that commonly used. If you do fill in any of these though, it will just appear right underneath the booking policy. So that's, it's implemented the exact same way. Nothing too crazy there, but that's really it, guys. Like I said, this is going to be a real simple one today. Didn't really think it needed that much of a video, but nonetheless, it is a nice little tool to have to at least let people know, for example, like, hey, you're not allowed to bring other people, there's not a waiting area, stuff like that, where it's just giving more information to the client so they come with a little bit more knowledge of what to expect. But that's really it, guys. Nothing too crazy. If you did find the video useful, please like and subscribe. There is a referral link down below that can get you 50% off your first 2 months if you want to use that. And then besides that, always appreciate your time. I'll see you in the next one.